Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn angles and measurement together, step by step. An angle is formed where two rays meet at a single point called the vertex. We measure angles in degrees. The degrees tell us how much the angle opens, or how much one ray turns from the other. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees and looks like a perfect square corner. We mark it with a small box. The corner of a book or a window is a right angle. An acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees, so it looks sharp and narrow. An obtuse angle is bigger than 90 degrees but less than 180. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees, a flat line. Let's sort an angle of 40 degrees. 40 is less than 90, so this angle is acute. It has a small, narrow opening between the two rays. A right angle is 90 degrees. Acute angles are smaller than that, and obtuse angles are larger. A straight angle is 180 degrees. Comparing to 90 helps you name any angle. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.